Okay, let's have a look at the unboxing of the Phantomwise Tarot by Erin Morgenstern. Morgenstern? So the booklet, normal, standard, nice and easy to read, good descriptions. And the deck. The deck is all black and white, kind of has a surface theme happening. It's fairly easy to shuffle, and I think you can cleanse them as well. But let's have a look at the deck. Let's go through the Four of Cups, Eight of Pentacles. It's very, even though it's black and white, I feel like there's a lot of descriptions. It's easy to read. The energy through these cards, I feel like they really connect to me. So I guess that's why I've really been fond of using these. The moon, how cute is that? The artwork is just absolutely beautiful. I love this Page of Wands. King of Cups, Page of Cups, the Strength card, Egyptian, and look how we got the heart and the feather. Being watched, being judged. The Six of Cups, a rabbit tea party. Kind of cute. It's kind of got a bit of everything. We've got knights, we've got circus, we've got, it reminds me of Follow the Yellow Brick Road for some reason. Eight of Wands, very fast energy. They're extremely easy to read and connect with, and they do but don't follow the traditions of the Rider-Waite. Seven of Pentacles, Five of Wands. I love this. I call this like the storyteller. Look at all the books. The Hierophant sitting there telling his stories, becoming wiser, depending how you want to interpret it. Two of Wands. The Magician. A lot of infinity signs are used in this deck. The Tower card. Ten of Cups. The Emperor. The Chariot. It awaits on the journey. Ten of Wands, you can see the struggles. Three of Pentacles. Death. I like this one. I feel it's not so heavy. Good for cutting the weeds and starting fresh. Getting cleansed because there's rain. The sun's quite pretty too. I feel like even though it's black and white, it really, the artwork is just so good that it doesn't really need at all. It doesn't need colour at all, sorry. I was getting lost in the devil. The King of Swords. I love this one, the Wheel of Fortune. I find these always help me when I'm looking for decks and I really want to check out whether I would connect to them, especially when we're buying everything online nowadays. So I hope this helps someone else out. Please let me know. I've got thousands and thousands of decks. If there's a certain deck that you would like, feel free to leave me a comment. The Knight of Cups, of course, he's on a rabbit. And the Two of Cups. The Four of Swords. It's when you know you need rest. The World. Wait, didn't I say the other card was the World card? Hold up. The Wheel of Fortune. Did I call that the World card? Ooh, it had me hypnotized. Sorry if I did say that. Justice. And lucky last is the Knight of Pentacles. The cards are quite thick. They feel waxy. They slide really easy, but they are a bit thick if you've got smaller hands like me. It's still super easy. They do glide, so they do a nice shuffle, nice fallouts. What it's meant to be is to be. All right. So that is the Phantom Tarot, and I'll leave a link below on where you can purchase that. All right, love and light.